And it goes a little something like.
Crazy cat, crazy cat, crazy cat. Ah! Ah! That's what I. Ah! Look at the airplane mode. You're gonna break my bracelet. No. No. It's in his glass. You crazy little. Ah! You really smacked my hand. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Ah! Okay, enough. We're done. I'll turn you off. Boop. Done. Remove these crazy ears. No more airplane ears. No. Okay. Ah! See, when you're crazy. See, when you're crazy. Ah! Oh my god, he's really hurting me. No, he really hurt me. Look what you did. Atlas, look what you did. Look what you did. You see what you did? Do you feel bad? Do you feel bad about this? Huh? You hurt me? Did you hurt me? Why? Oh no. He looks evil. Oh my god. He's possessed. Look what you did. Still wanna play? You still wanna play? You hurt mommy? Look at him. Look at him. Look at him, this furry monster. Oh. Why are you after my bracelet? Let go of my bracelet. Oh, oh. Hello, finally filming after 2 weeks. Well, I've kind of been filming, but only shorts. Today is an actual video. It's a Sunday reset. So they're gonna be cleaning, shower, maybe I go out later. Wait, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I know for some people it's a small number, but for me it's a milestone. I'm out of breath because I've been playing with my cat, so. But yeah, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I just started YouTube and I was like, maybe this is not gonna work, but it could still not work. But I mean, we got something. We got 1,000 people, so thank you so much, and stick around till your favorite part, at least, which is me showering, you creeps. I don't know why, but my shower videos have more views. This is our breakfast today. I got this almond butter from Morocco. It's basically almonds, argan oil, and honey. So it's pretty natural. And here's our iced coffee. Now we need to mix a bit. Okay, I'm gonna eat because I'm pretty hungry. I just remembered that I need allergy pills. I don't have any more. I take allergy pills because I'm allergic to my baby and I cannot give up my baby because he's my baby. And yeah, so I think I have to get out of the house, and we don't have like pharmacies around this area, I guess. Do we? No, we don't. Yeah, so I have to go to the mall. At least mama. Here's another angle of me eating, in case you missed the first one. It's so good. I regret not bringing more, honestly. Well, my camera was not rolling, but I cleaned the freezer and I cleaned the pantry. And I'm already tired. Four trips later, I'm done with garbage, so I'll start with the kitchen and then we'll go to the room and floor and oh my god, I'm so tired already. I think I'm gonna take some energy drink or something. beautiful. I'm so hungry that I'm gonna faint. Haven't eaten anything since breakfast. At last?